This video is just a cutout of some GoPro footage that I took when I did my Alloytec engine rebuild. A question came in from Big O here asking about the harmonic balancer removal, so I thought I'd just chop up the video quickly and link it over to him, but I thought I'd publish it in case someone else might have found this useful. So anyway, first things first, I want to get the harmonic balancer. I've got a new harmonic balancer here. They say you can keep using your existing harmonic balancer, no problem. If it's not unbalanced or whatever, but I decided in the interest of doing all this other stuff that we got to replace it one. So I got myself a power bond one. Look at that. Looks nice and shiny. So I will chuck that on at the end. So I'm just going to try and get this off anyway to get a start on this. Did a 19 maybe? Oof. Perfect. Got the guy coming for the windscreen tomorrow. There we go. Apparently you're also supposed to change this bolt too, is what they're telling me. They reckon these bolts, once they've been used, you can't use them again. I don't know what the story behind that is. But I think we've got a... Yeah. I think this kit is one that I got, or one that a friend of mine got. He used it and didn't need it again. Okay. So, I assume you get a washer. Never used one of these guys, I'm just guessing. Okay, let's see if this works. Even coming. Okay, let's try. If I can't do it with a breaker bar, it's essentially just turning the crank. Might just put some grease on that. WD-40 at least. Whew. All right. Okay, that tool's on there so we can turn it. Okay, so that once that tool's on there, we can basically grab our breaker bar and then we can turn the crank. If that makes sense. You can hear the compression. That's good. Well, Big, I hope that helps answer your question. As you could probably tell, it was my first time trying to figure this out as well. That's why it's all over the shop. I never planned to kind of turn that into a video, but it's just easy with visuals for someone who's trying to work it out. And if you're looking for more Alloytec content, hit the subscribe button. We do quite a bit of work on these motors ourselves, because these are the ones that go into our Holden Adventurers that we bash off-road. And you'll probably find a little bit of off-roading, camping, and adventure content on here, which, depending on what you're into, may or may not be of interest. But yeah, would appreciate like and sub, and hopefully it helps many other people. Take it easy, guys.